11, Robert Waterman. Quarterman made any contact with anybody in there. And once again, not a good start for the 11 and Quarterman. They're going around on both the inside and the outside. As Quarterman does have trouble getting up to speed up in that front row. This time everybody so far has made it safely by, but they're 3 wide coming out of 4. John Grover thinks the best of it. He's backed out of that situation. Up front, the 24, Tom Kean. He is leading the way with Bodine on his tail, Max Schroeder and Jeff Jones. As they come across the line, top 4, breaking away, Caleb Vincent. Right now sitting in this spot is John Grover. Has gotten loose from some traffic, so John Grover is going to set sail and go to work on catching the leaders. Ian Bodine, Schrader and Jones. Jones now pulling up alongside of Schrader, side by side, the battle for third. Not going to take very long as Jones goes by Schrader. Jones, he is looking mighty spry here early in this 30-lap main. Oh, we got trouble! Bodine hard up into the wall as Jeff Jones got together with Bodine. Bodine backs it in hard into the wall over in turn 1 and then makes contact with the 29 of Schroeder down on the bottom of the track. And Bodine. Side out of 4. Tom Kean's going to hold off John Grover up to this point. Grover once again coming right back at Kean. John Grover by Kean. 8 of 30 complete. John Grover. Tom Kean, Max Schroeder, Caleb Pittman. A 4-car breakaway. You got to go back now quite a ways to find them. Well, Ron Grover in trouble. That was the 5th place car. Ron Grover off the track. Now Robert Waterman is running 5th. It is quite a ways back from the top 4 to that 5th place Robert Waterman. And John Grover. I don't know if there's a driver who's won more races than John Grover here over the past few years. John Grover has just owned South Sound Speedway, maybe Evan Hardison. We're talking about the outside groups that come. Good to see Bodine back up there in that mix. We are back underway. A good start for John Grover. Caleb Pittman sounded like she shut it off. Right as she came across the start-finish line. And not sure if the motor cut out or if Caleb Pittman shut it down on her own. But clearly problems for the 19. Wilson, hard up into the wall, over in turns 1 and 2. He scraped the wall, left a tire mark, and then rolled on away. And he's going to see enough. He and David Wilson heads on into the pits. Max Schroeder continues to run on the rear bumper of John Grosvenor. Two-car breakaway, Grosvenor and Schroeder, and then it's over a straightaway to find the third place Tom Kean. Remain as Max Schroeder giving it all he can to get up there to Grosvenor. Needs two lone streamers to do a battle here at South Speedway. As they are quite often the two fastest cars that come out here with the station of 1st right below pivot. Max Schroeder's going to have to settle for 2nd. Then it's Kean coming home 3rd. Out at turn number 4 and across the line, your 4th place finisher, Scott Modine.